Ang ganda-ganda talaga, guys. Thank you so much, Miss Lynn Art and Design. Please subscribe, guys. Hi, everybody! Guys, may na-receive ako na package from Miss Lynn Art and Design. And ito. Thank you so much, Miss Lynn Art and Design. Okay, natin. Dun, 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 dun. Hi guys! Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? Good morning! Okay lang naman ako. Eto. Tan. Wow! Wow, ang ganda! Try ko daw. Maganda. Thank you so much, Miss Lynn Art and Design. And guys, please subscribe to Lynn Art and Design. Try ko ha. Suotin ko daw. Saglit lang. Everybody, ito na guys. Ang ganda. Thank you so much, Miss Lynn Art and Design. Ito ganda. Ang saya ko. Thank you guys. Kumusta naman kayong lahat? Uy. Ako, okay lang naman. Nagpapataba. Okay guys, I love you all. And ingat kayo lagi. And always remember that life is beautiful. Kaya enjoy life and spread the love. Bye-bye. Love you all. Miss Lynn Art, thank you so much. Bye.